A BMW is a complex machine, which is why our maintenance process is just as engineered as our cars. The hundreds of pieces of equipment used on the repair floor are tested to ensure they perform as efficiently as possible. And we only use original BMW parts, which have been designed and tested exclusively for BMWs. One of the real differences at a BMW centered are the BMW trained technicians. These qualified professionals have to meet BMW's high standards, and they must learn the hundreds of components it takes to keep the vehicles in top shape. Earning the title Master Technician can take over 5 years of working on the floor, but the training never stops. Each time BMW designs a new model, the technicians receive training to stay current with the latest features and technologies. Your trained BMW service team has the skills and experience to keep your BMW running as it was engineered to be, the ultimate driving machine.